Do you think people are born entrepreneurs or you can become one?
So I get burnt out working too hard and, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, dude, what are you talking about? Do you know what a tough life looks like? I did 100 hours a week for about 20 years, dude. Throughout college, I was working in a restaurant as a dishwasher, and I work in a Westin hotel as a bartender. I basically work like between 4 to 11:30 in a bar, and once that's finished, I started working at Petrol Station from midnight to 8 a.m. So I literally work 16 hours straight, and that's like 4 or 5 days a week.